Good afternoon and welcome. I am Hadiza Galadima. It's Tuesday, April 21st, 2026, and here is your business update, bringing you the latest on Nigeria's energy transition and the shifting dynamics of international trade. Here are your top stories you need to know for today. Starting with the Nigeria National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, has officially hit a daily crude oil production milestone of 2.5 million barrels per day. This achievement, the highest in nearly a decade, is being credited to the successful implementation of the Project 300 security framework and the full restoration of the Forcados and Bonny terminals. Experts predict this surge would significantly strengthen Nigeria's foreign exchange reserves, providing much-needed stability for the Naira in the second quarter. And despite the global slowdown in venture capital, Nigeria's fintech ecosystem is witnessing a second spring wave. New data released this morning shows that Nigerian startups raised $850 million in the first quarter of 2026, a 40% increase compared to the same period last year. The surge is largely driven by a new wave of agri-fintech solutions aimed at digitalizing the rural supply chain, signaling a shift in investors' appetite towards high-impact real economy digital tools. And the Manufacturers Association of Nigeria, MAN, has raised an alarm over a proposed 12% hike in terminal handling charges at the Apapa and Tinkan Island ports. MAN leadership stated that if the new tariffs are implemented by the Nigerian Shippers Council, the cost of raw materials could jump by nearly 10% by June. They are currently calling for an emergency stakeholders meeting to negotiate a phased implementation to avoid spike in the prices of finished consumer goods. And finally, in a landmark move for climate policy, the European Union has officially activated the full enforcement phase of its carbon border adjustment mechanism. As of this morning, importers of steel, aluminum and electricity into the EU must pay a carbon price equivalent to what European manufacturers pay. This green tariff is already impacting global trade routes, forcing major exporters in Asia and South America to accelerate their transition to renewable power manufacturing or face significant competitive disadvantages in the European market. That's the latest in the world of business, from the oil fields of the Delta to the regulatory halls of Brussels. The landscape is moving fast, and we will keep you updated as these stories develop.